everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on benefits of zero waste living. Zero waste living helps keep our planet clean by reducing trash. It means using things that can be reused, recycled, or composted. We use less plastic, which is good for animals and oceans. Making less waste saves natural resources like trees and water. It can save money by reusing items instead of buying new ones. We can create fun projects by upcycling old items. Zero waste living teaches us to be more mindful of what we use. It reduces pollution and helps keep the air and water clean. Using cloth bags, bottles, and containers means less litter. Zero waste living helps protect the earth for future generations. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.